to our first episode of Dr. Cheikhe Dem. I'm Cheikhe Dem, and today we're going to explore the magic of science and the science of magic. Did I say magic or science? Actually, both. But let's start with the magic. We're going to start with 3 cups. 1, 2, 3 cups of aluminum, a pitcher of water, and my magic wand. Those cups are actually made of very strong aluminum. I'm going to pour some water in the right cup. Now make sure you watch all my moves. I start by switching the right cup with the middle cup. Where's the water right now? In the middle cup, you're right. And then the middle cup with the left cup. I want to make sure you were really paying attention. Do you know where the water is right now? On the left? Actually, no. The left cup is totally empty. You may think it's in the middle. No, this one is also empty. What about the right one? Nope. Out of luck, this one is also empty. The water totally vanished in the air. Now, that's magic. Now, here comes the secret. Now, remember, it's a secret. So, shh, don't tell anyone. Now, if you prefer not to know the secret because you prefer to be flabbergasted when watching this trick, just press stop on your remote control. Now, I told you in the beginning, magic and science. So let's use science to explain this magical illusion. This trick is possible because of a chemical that was developed in the 70s and 80s. Until the 80s, absorbing materials had to be either based on cellulose or fibers. Sponges and paper towel are a good example of what was used at the time. The only problem is these products could only absorb 20 times their weight. In this magic trick, water doesn't disappear. It is actually absorbed and left in the cup. A sponge or paper towel wouldn't be enough to hold the water in this cup. That's why we're using a super-absorbent polymer. Did you know it's in the 60s that the United States Department of Agriculture discovered those polymers? They were conducting experiments on ways to improve water conservation in soils, and they discovered this substance that can hold 400 times its own weight. 20 times for cellulose or fibers. 400 times for superabsorbent polymers. That's a lot. What makes this type of chemical so absorbent, you may ask? Well, the word polymer comes from poly, which means many, and mer, which means unit. A polymer is composed of many units. Therefore, a polymer is a long chain of molecules. The polymers absorb water through a process called hydrogen bonding with the water molecules. The water molecules actually move from the outside of the polymer to the inside of the polymer where they get trapped. Obviously, there's a limit to how much water a polymer can hold. But the superabsorbent polymers are just incredible. In this experiment, the polymer used is called sodium polyacrylate. In order for the polymers to attract and capture water, it is better to use warm liquid with no minerals or very few. Distilled water will actually work best. The ions in salted water will prevent the polymers from totally absorbing the water. Now, let's go back to the magic. Here's how you perform this magic trick. To prepare, you put 1 tablespoon of the superabsorbent polymer in one of the cup. A commercial product called slush powder or lightning gel should do the job. You start by showing the 3 cups. The chemical is in the cup on the right. You then use your magic wand to show how strong the bottom of the cup is. You can show the inside of the 2 cups on the left, but for the cup on the right with the chemical, make sure you hide the inside. You can do it just very casually. Then you pour water in the cup with the chemical. As you can see, it immediately becomes a solid gel. Then you're done. All you have to do is switch them, entertain people, and show that the water totally disappear. Have fun performing this new magic trick to your family and friends, and make sure you don't reveal the secret, because it's a secret. Shh! Back to the science. You know what? Most people have never heard of superabsorbent polymers, but surprisingly, they're using them on a daily basis. If you have a baby, you probably use them more than once a day. Did you know the product used in diaper is the exact same product used in the magic trick? Sodium polyacrylate. This is why the baby can now relieve themselves without feeling wet all the time. This almost sounded like an ad for diapers. The same kind of superabsorbent polymers are also used in feminine napkins. Let's open one. See, we also have sodium polyacrylate in the pad. As it was the case for diapers, the pads also absorb liquid easily. Superabsorbent polymers are also used in adult protective underwears, as well as bed liners for nursing home patients. Just anywhere liquids need to be absorbed. Superabsorbent polymers are not only used for the purpose of absorbing water. Sometimes absorption is secondary. In filmmaking, they sometimes need some snow. And since most movie sets are not located in northern Canada, artificial snow is a must. Superabsorbent polymers are also used to produce snow. When absorbing water, the powder becomes fluffy and expand. Just a few scoops of the polymer, and then add water, and here we go. We're getting snow, lots of snow, and it actually has the texture of snow. On a movie set, they can produce enough snow to fill a full backyard. And with a fan, it looks like it's blowing snow. And remember, whenever there's science, there's also magic. And whenever there's magic, there's also science. See you next time.